Hey, where's Gil? I thought he was coming tonight.
Oh, he said he had another party or something? Said he wasn't going to make it.
Oh god, there's an Amber Alert. There's a groper in the area. He's wearing green shorts, white shoes, and a Larry Bird Celtics jersey. Pretty easy to identify.
No kidding.
I I had a prior engagement, but I'm glad I could make it. You guys get that Amber Alert? Some kind of pervert or something. Think he was wearing like a tuxedo or something?
A Celtics jersey.
Oh, is that right? Okay. Yeah. This neighborhood really has gone downhill. I'm scared to go out at night. I really am.
Gil, are you the man from the Amber Alert?
Ha! Do you see me wearing a tuxedo, Sandy?
It was a Celtics jersey. A Larry Bird jersey. Like the one you put in the trash over there.
What? Larry who? Some kind of board guy?
You are a huge Celtics fan. He knows who Larry Bird is.
Gil, what did you do?
What? What?